For our poster, Tapping Skills in the Elderly, we were interested in how tapping abilities develop with increasing age and how they relate to musical interests. For this, we ran an online study in which people aged 19 to 86 tapped to different songs. They completed hearing tests focusing on discrimination of pitch, tempo, and loudness, and they filled in the Gold-MSI, looking at a range of subscales relating to people's musical behaviors. So first of all, we didn't find any evidence that tapping worsens with age, which is interesting considering the sensorimotor systems that might be involved. We found that hearing abilities did relate to various aspects of musical functioning, but not to any tapping index, which also fits with our aging results. The resultant vector of the tapping trials averaged over all songs was weakly to moderately related to musical functioning subscales, but tapping phase was not. So if you want to hear more about this, then come to our poster.